everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious leek and potato soup. Let's get into it. First I'm going to put in a tablespoon of olive oil and my thoroughly washed and chopped leeks. I'm going to give it a slight mix and then leave it to cook down until it turns soft. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, thyme, rosemary and black pepper and 2 garlic cloves. Once you cook down your seasonings, it should look like this. Now I'm going to add in my ready washed and chopped potato and vegetable stock. And then you cook that down until it's ready and the potatoes are soft. Now I'm going to check if my potatoes are ready. Now that's done, as my hand blender is broken, I'm going to ask my dad to help me transfer it into my other blender so I don't burn myself. Now that's done, I'm going to add 200 ml of oat milk. And then, I'm going to put the lid on and blend it up. Now I've blended it down, it's time to play. Once it's all plated, it should look just like this. Now I'm going to tuck in and see you next time. It's actually delicious.